Hello. Gartner predicts that over 40% of the AI projects will be cancelled by the end of 2027. The biggest reason? Lack of clearly defined return on investments. ROI, profitability. Two things happened. The project may be brilliant, but a clear ROI was not perceived upfront, so it was not approved. On the other hand, a substandard use case was approved without checking on the ROI, so it was pulled just before it went into production. But every organization dreams of making it big with AI. So, how do you start off on the right foot? Setting expectations clearly before you even start. I have created a template for calculating return on investments that you can use to clearly define the profitability before you start off with your pilot project. You may be thinking calculating ROI upfront isn't straightforward. How do I put a dollar value on time saved, improved accuracy, or faster decisions? I can understand that. Many leaders avoid the exercise because it feels complex or speculative. And that is exactly why projects fail. The good news, it does not have to be hard. All that glitters is not gold. You have probably suspected this for a while. Some AI projects look flashy and are picked up by the leadership, whereas your down-to-earth projects are abandoned because you could not demonstrate their worth. I have been there. Without ROI, glittering ideas and high-value ideas get thrown into the same bucket. Leadership often picks the wrong one. Here is something you can use to counter those flashy ideas and show the true worth of your ideas. A Gen-AI ROI calculator. I built the Gen-AI ROI calculator not as another shiny tool, but as a weapon you can use to cut through the marketing fluff. Separate high-impact projects from the noise and defend your initiatives with hard numbers. Here is how it works. It has an instruction sheet so that you can clearly understand how to use the calculator. And in the calculator sheet, for each use case, you can enter the current effort saved, hourly cost, the implementation cost of the AI solution, ongoing monthly AI cost, probably the subscription cost. Then it calculates the hours saved per month, monthly savings in terms of dollars, net monthly benefit, payback period of how many months, and then annual return on investments. This helps you compare various AI initiatives and then calculate and present it to your management. You can compare various scenarios and decide which use case has the best ROI so that you can pursue it and take it to production. Here is the reality. If you are not calculating ROI, you are gambling with your budget, your credibility, and your AI vision. Create your own ROI calculator or Download this calculator free from the link in the description. Run your top 3 AI use cases through it and walk into your next meeting with the confidence that comes from numbers that speak for themselves. Because in the AI race, winners are not always the ones with the flashy tech. They are the ones who can demonstrate the real value. Hi, I am Ganapati Devappa, a premier instructor on Udemy with more than 10,000 students and a 4.5 instructor rating. My latest course, Generative AI for Managers and Leaders on Udemy, highlights the importance of early AI adoption through practical use cases, ROI, return on investment based strategies, and risk management frameworks. You can enroll using the exclusive coupon link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI and technology. See you in the next video.